let's move on to another big story. This is the latest coming in the sensational Sheena Bora murder case. Well, today the special CBI court framed charges against Indrani Mukerjea, Peter Mukerjea and Sanjeev Khanna in this particular case. There were important charges that have been framed against all of the three accused. Now, those charges include Section 120B for criminal conspiracy, 302 for charges of murder and 201 for destruction of evidence. Now, in addition to these charges, Indrani and her former husband, Sanjeev Khanna, have been charged with attempt to murder Indrani Mukerjea's biological son, Sheena Bora, for asking several questions with regards to his sister's disappearance. However, Indrani, Peter and Sanjeev Khanna have pleaded not guilty. They have denied all the charges that has been framed against them by the special court. The CBI has made it clear that Indrani was the one, she was the main accused, who killed her daughter Sheena Bora, and that she even tried to kill her son Sheena Bora. That's the evidence that the CBI claims to have in their possession against Indrani Mukerjea. Meanwhile, the next trial now in this sensational murder case will now begin from the 1st of February.
Sir, what are the charges which are framed against all individuals?
302, 120B and 201, 203, read with 120B.
And what are the charges which have been dropped? Are there any?
There are 420. Basically the cheating charges have been dropped against all accused.
Sir, if you can segregate the charges for all individuals one by one.
No, against as far as my client and Indrani is concerned, there is a 302, 201, 202, 203, sorry, and 120B.
As also 307, attempt to commit murder?
Yeah, and also 307, attempt to murder.
I want to go straight across to our Mumbai Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi, and then I'm going to go straight to Mustafa Sheikh from court. Sahil, coming to you first. Now, just break down for us the charges that has been leveled against all of the three accused. The CBI have been very confident all throughout this case in the last 1.5 years of having enough evidence, to nail the three accused in this particular case.
Avantika, this case has taken a lot of turns and twists.
Yes.
Originally, when this case unearthed by Mumbai police, the three main accused were arrested at the same night. That is Shambar Rai, Indrani Mukerjea. Shambar Rai was a driver with Indrani Mukerjea and Sanjeev Khanna, who was Indrani's earlier husband. So now after that, Peter, when the case was transferred to CBI also arrested Peter Mukerjea, and now when they filed an FIR against Peter Mukerjea, 120B, that is the criminal conspiracy to for this murder, he was also charged with that. Now he has been framed by the court also in the same charge, but driver Shambar Rai, who has been turned now as a prosecution witness in this particular case, so he will not be prosecuted. He has been given pardon, and he will be taken to the court as a prosecution witness against Indrani Mukerjea and Sanjeev Khanna. So now there remains only three accused in this particular case. The interesting part of this case is going to be Sheena Bora part of it, because Sheena Bora on the same night in 2012 was called in Mumbai, and he was given some sedatives. He was unconscious, but somehow he managed to escape from Indrani's house. So attempt to murder charge has been kept against Indrani Mukerjea and Sanjeev Khanna, whereas Peter Mukerjea has not been charged with that. The main evidence which CBI likely to put against all these people is basically Shambar Rai's statement in this particular case, and the conversation, the telephonic conversation which was recorded by Rahul Mukerjea, in which CBI claims that Peter was trying to give false statements to Rahul Mukerjea when Rahul Mukerjea was pursuing and asking them the whereabouts of Sheena Bora. So this is going to be a really interesting trial which will be beginning from 1st of February.
And on expected lines, Mustafa, all the accused have pleaded not guilty. The trial begins from the 1st of February. This will be interesting. What can we expect now? Very quickly.